Antelopes protected by tick-eating birds, nature's incredible partnership. The African savanna is full of hidden dangers. Every day, antelopes face deadly predators, scorching heat, and an enemy so small it often goes unnoticed, thousands of blood-sucking ticks. But these graceful animals are not alone. Their tiny feathered allies are always watching, ready to defend them in one of nature's most fascinating partnerships. This is the incredible story of antelopes protected by tick-eating birds. As the morning sun rises over the endless grasslands, a herd of antelopes begins to graze peacefully. Everything looks calm, but hidden beneath their fur are hundreds of hungry ticks. These parasites feed on blood, weaken the animals, spread dangerous diseases, and can leave painful wounds that become infected. Without help, the tiny invaders could seriously threaten the antelope's health. Suddenly, small birds swoop down from nearby trees. These are Oxpeckers, fearless birds that specialize in searching for parasites. They land directly on the antelope's backs, necks, faces, and even around their ears. Instead of chasing the birds away, the antelopes stand perfectly still. They know the visitors have arrived for an important mission. The birds carefully inspect every part of the antelope's body. One by one, they pluck ticks from deep within the fur. Their sharp beaks remove parasites hiding in places the antelope cannot reach. Every tick eaten means less blood loss, fewer infections, and a healthier animal. For the birds, it's an easy meal packed with nutrients. For the antelope, it's life-saving healthcare provided completely free by nature. Both species win. But the partnership doesn't end with parasite removal. As the birds continue feeding, one suddenly freezes. Its head snaps toward the tall grass. A lion is silently creeping closer. The bird explodes into loud warning calls and quickly flies upward. The alarm spreads through the herd. Instantly, every antelope lifts its head. Within seconds, the herd bursts into a powerful sprint across the open plains. The lion's surprise attack has failed. Those few seconds of warning may have saved dozens of lives. Scientists call this relationship mutualism, a partnership where both species benefit. The birds enjoy a constant supply of food. The antelopes receive parasite control and, in many situations, an extra set of watchful eyes. Together, they demonstrate how survival in the wild often depends on teamwork rather than strength alone. In Africa's unforgiving wilderness, even the smallest creatures can become powerful protectors. A tiny bird, a graceful antelope. Together, they prove that nature's greatest survival stories are often built on cooperation instead of conflict. If you enjoyed discovering this amazing wildlife partnership, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and join us for more incredible stories from a natural world. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.